In today's rapidly changing job landscape, one trend stands out above the rest: the surge in remote job opportunities that offer robust training programs for people with little or no prior experience. This shift isn't just a fleeting response to global events, it's a fundamental change in how companies attract, hire, and retain talent. If you're someone who's been searching for a way to launch a new career from the comfort of your own home, or you're looking to pivot into a growing industry without returning to school, the good news is that more companies than ever are opening their doors to newcomers, providing the tools and training needed for success. Let's dive into what's driving this trend and spotlight some of the leading companies paving the way in remote work with paid training and no experience required. According to recent analyses, such as those featured on FlexJobs and MSN, organizations across multiple sectors, including technology, customer service, education, and business support, are actively investing in the next generation of remote workers. These companies recognize that talent can come from anywhere and that the right training can transform potential into high performance. Among the most notable names on the list of top remote employers is Veeva Systems, a company renowned for its cloud-based software solutions for the global life sciences industry. Veeva has built a culture that values flexibility and inclusivity, offering fully remote roles such as product managers, consultants, and customer support specialists. Importantly, Veeva provides comprehensive onboarding and ongoing training programs, ensuring that new hires, even those without industry experience, have a solid foundation upon which to build their careers. Another standout is Invisible Technologies, which has reimagined the way businesses outsource operations. Invisible hires remote associates for a variety of roles, many of which require little more than a willingness to learn and a reliable internet connection. Their training programs are designed to bring new team members up to speed quickly, focusing on process management, digital tools, and client communication. The company's approach is proof that, with the right support, newcomers can make a significant impact from day one. Canonical, best known as the publisher of Ubuntu, is also at the forefront of remote work innovation. The company recruits globally for positions in engineering, sales, and customer support, emphasizing a remote-first culture. Canonical's learning and development programs are robust, covering both technical skills and the soft skills needed to thrive in a distributed work environment. They have demonstrated that a lack of prior experience is not a barrier to entry for passionate, motivated candidates willing to learn. Customer service remains one of the most accessible entry points into the remote workforce, with companies like Transcom and Concentrix leading the way. Transcom hires for roles such as technical support advisor and retail customer support, providing new hires with extensive paid training. This training isn't just about the basics. It covers everything from product knowledge to effective communication and troubleshooting, preparing employees to deliver top-tier service. Transcom also offers attractive benefits, including medical, dental, and vision insurance, as well as paid time off, making these roles especially appealing. Concentrix, a global leader in customer experience solutions, is another major employer offering remote jobs with paid training. Their roles range from entry-level customer service representatives to technical support, with a strong emphasis on creating a positive and supportive onboarding experience. Concentrix's training programs ensure that new employees are well-equipped to handle a variety of customer needs, regardless of their previous job history. The tech boom has also given rise to entirely new job categories, such as prompt engineers. These professionals help train and fine-tune large language models, like the AI behind today's virtual assistants. What makes this field particularly interesting is that it often doesn't require advanced technical skills or coding experience. Instead, prompt engineers are trained in how to craft, test, and optimize prompts to improve the AI's performance. This opens the door for creative thinkers and communicators to enter a high-demand, high-paying sector with the support of on-the-job training. Education is another area where remote work and training go hand in hand. Companies like GoFluent, which specializes in online language instruction, are hiring remote English teachers and providing thorough training in their proprietary teaching methodologies. Even if you've never taught before, GoFluent's training ensures you have the skills and confidence to succeed. Pay is competitive, averaging between $15 and $20 per hour, and the flexibility allows educators to work from anywhere in the world. This trend toward remote jobs with paid training isn't limited to a handful of sectors or companies. It reflects a broader shift in the modern job market. Employers are increasingly aware that traditional qualifications aren't the only predictors of success. Instead, they're investing in onboarding, mentorship, and skill development, making it possible for candidates of all backgrounds to launch rewarding remote careers. Let's take a closer look at some of the key companies leading the charge in this space. Veeva Systems, as mentioned earlier, is a standout for its commitment to employee development. Their training covers not only the technical aspects of their products, but also the intricacies of working in regulated industries. Invisible Technologies training emphasizes adaptability, process improvement, and communication, giving new hires a toolkit to tackle a wide range of projects. Canonical's onboarding goes deep into open-source software and collaborative work, ensuring employees are ready to contribute meaningfully from the start. In customer service, Transcom and Concentrix set the standard for remote onboarding, combining classroom-style instruction with hands-on practice. Both companies regularly update their training materials to reflect new products, evolving customer needs, and emerging best practices. This commitment to continuous learning ensures employees aren't just able to do their jobs, they're able to grow into more advanced roles over time. The emergence of roles like prompt engineers highlights the dynamic nature of today's job market. Companies developing artificial intelligence and machine learning tools need people who can bridge the gap between human communication and technical systems. Training in this field focuses on language, logic, and problem solving, rather than programming. As a result, these jobs are accessible to a wide pool of applicants, including those with backgrounds in writing, communications, or research. Teaching English online, as with GoFluent, offers a unique blend of flexibility and professional development. Their training programs are rigorous, covering lesson planning, student engagement, and the effective use of technology in the virtual classroom. For many, this is a chance to build a teaching career without ever setting foot in a traditional school. Why are so many companies investing in remote jobs with paid training for inexperienced workers? The answer lies in the evolving expectations of both employers and job seekers. Flexibility is now a top priority for many people, whether they're caring for family, seeking a better work-life balance, or looking to avoid long commutes. At the same time, companies have discovered that remote work broadens the talent pool, allowing them to find motivated employees from diverse backgrounds and locations. The rise of structured training programs is a response to this new reality. By removing barriers to entry and providing the support needed to succeed, companies can fill critical roles faster and build more loyal, engaged teams. For job seekers, this means that the dream of working from home, often dismissed as unrealistic just a few years ago, is now within reach, even without a resume packed with relevant experience. So, what does it take to succeed in one of these remote roles? Employers are looking for self-motivated individuals with strong communication skills, a willingness to learn, and a proactive attitude. Technical skills can be taught, but the ability to manage your time, stay organized, and adapt to new challenges is invaluable. During the hiring process, companies often assess these qualities through behavioral interviews and practical exercises. For those ready to take the leap, the first step is to identify the industries and companies that align with your interests and values. Explore opportunities at organizations like Veeva, Invisible Technologies, Canonical, Transcom, Concentrix, and GoFluent. Carefully review job descriptions to understand the training and support on offer, and be prepared to demonstrate your enthusiasm and commitment to learning. In conclusion, the remote work revolution has opened doors for countless people seeking meaningful employment with flexibility and growth potential. With more companies offering paid training for remote positions, experience is no longer the gatekeeper to a rewarding career. Whether you're looking to start fresh, change industries, or simply work from anywhere. Now is the perfect time to explore these opportunities and take the first step toward your new future. The workplace has changed, and with it, the path to success is more accessible than ever before.